This is how kids are at home during this long vacation, right? Bored, irritated, crying all the time, or at the most, glued to the screens.
We parents try to talk to them, convince them, but most of the time it fails. We all know what to do, like limiting their screen time, balancing education and entertainment, and giving a quality time with them, all that. But I'm not there to talk about all that. The real challenge is how to achieve it. So, all I'm going to give you is 5 tips to engage your kids. These are not Google informations, by the way. These are suggested by top children counselors, and most importantly, it's tried and tested by me with my daughter. To get more parenting tips, please subscribe to my channel. Now, let's quickly jump into the tips. Tip 1. Spin a wheel. Having a timetable for everyday work is boring, right? So, let's make it interesting. We'll prepare a spinner wheel for kids and have all the activities planned in every section. So, for example, this is a spinner wheel which my daughter prepared for her own task. I planned it in a way that every section has one learning activity and one daily chores for her to do. So, if you can see, one section has spell bee or code or, and another daily chores I have written dry clothes, and another section, if you see, has crafts and arts, and the daily chores would be organizing the room. And I have also mentioned rest on some of the days where she doesn't have to do any chores. So rather than doing a daily task, it becomes like a fun activity to spin this wheel and do whatever comes for her. Fun, right?
There she is. She spins the wheel, and here are some daily chores she did in this 1 week according to what she gets in the wheel.
Tip 2. Rewards and awards. It's human tendency to expect something for what we do, right?
Buy star stickers and tell your little one that they'll get 1 star if they complete their daily task successfully.
And if they do any additional task, or if they behave well for that day, then they get a bonus star. So after collecting 10 stars, give them some reward. It can be anything, like give them money for their piggy bank or buy them a toy, or it can also be something like 30 minutes of extra screen time or late wake up time, anything. So this motivates them to collect 10 stars as soon as possible and get their reward. Tip 3. Planning interesting activities. You can't expect your kid to play with the same board games and the toys every day, right? We should put some effort and time and make sure that our kids do some interesting art or some activities once in a while. So you can go ahead and post all these artwork in your social media or your groups so that the kids feel happy when it is shared to the bigger audience. My daughter would go one step ahead and she would suggest me on the title and the hashtags which I have to use for her post in Insta. Here are some of the artworks which Hiyani did during these 2-3 months.
As all the parks in the city are closed now, Hiyani created her own park and she also did a demo on it.
I'm going to show off my Wonder Park. Wow, a Wonder Park. Let's go in. Ready, steady, go. Ooh la la. Just gonna take some time.
So where are we? Tip 4, right? I also have 2 amazing bonus tips, so stay till the end to know what it is. Tip 4. Retrospect with your kids. We are not always right, and sometimes kids are afraid to express it even when we go wrong. So ask them to Write down what all they like about you and the things that they want you to change. You can also come up with your own list of things which you love about your kid and things which you want them to improve. This is a fantastic method to get to know your kid's point of view, and they also feel very good about it when they know that their voice is also heard. And yeah, the one which you are seeing is the list which me and Hiyani prepared for ourselves. Here comes the tip 5. Connect with friends. Kids would be really missing their friends during this long vacation. Though we parents try to be friendly with them, we cannot match their friends. They share same wavelength, and so they understand each other better. So try to set up a video call for your kid with their friends once in a week and see how happy they feel about it. This is one such video call which Hiyani had with her friends. See how happy they are.
Hi Ashi. Are you all fine? Wait, one second, I also invite Samira. Hi Samira. How are you all?
So we are almost at the end of the video, and here comes the 2 bonus tips. The bonus 1. Regularizing your kids' sleep cycle. This is the biggest challenge for everybody during vacation, right? So activities like running, skipping, jumping, or even dancing during the late evenings, so that my daughter gets tired and sleeps soon after the dinner. So that way she sleeps early and wakes up early so she doesn't miss her breakfast. This works amazingly good with me. You can also try it out and let me know if it works for you. Here comes the second bonus tip. Group parenting. Older generation kids had the benefit of living with a joint family, and so they learned a lot from their grandparents, aunt and uncle. I know it's difficult in this current generation, but we can recreate it in the apartment culture. Wanna know how? It's simple. Just create a conversation in your WhatsApp group of your apartment, and interested parents can volunteer themselves to engage some group of 5 to 10 kids over a weekend for 1 hour.
They can teach anything they are good at. It can be art, singing, dancing, drawing, or even acting. For instance, I love dancing, so I can teach dance for a group of 5 to 10 kids. Try this out after we are free from this pandemic and back to normal, and trust me, kids would love it, and you will see how much they learn from those sessions.
Do try all these tips with your kids, and I'm very sure it will not disappoint you. If you have any other tips than the above mentioned ones, please mention it in the comment section below. Or if you find this 8 minutes useful, please give a thumbs up and encourage me. After all, even I would like rewards like our kids, right?
Now that you have tips to engage kids, do you want to check out some fun-filled games that my mama customized for me? Just click and check this video out right now. Before that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel